how to export HubSpot email as HTML. So first go to your HubSpot account, and then you just need to click on marketing here at the left side, and then click on email. Next here, you just need to select one of your emails. So let's say I'm going to select this one, then open it, and then here you just need to click on preview and test, and let's just preview it as a contact. Now here you just need to, let's just wait for it. Okay, now once we look at it as a contact, now you just need to right click on it and then click on view page source, and then just press Ctrl A on your keyboard and then right click and then click on copy. Now here you just need to open up a notepad so we can paste this HTML here. Okay, like so. And then let's just click file here and then click on save as. And then let's just name this file as HubSpot HTML. No, HubSpot email.html. Okay, and then you can just click on save and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.